The Hagen-Poiseuille equation, typically known as Poiseuille's law in medical textbooks, is an equation that evaluates vascular resistance and flow rate, typically related to blood products or intravenous fluids. It is indicated in understanding how various catheter sizes or peripheral or central catheters affect flow rate. The equation as above states that the flow rate is proportional to the radius to the fourth power, so that when the diameter increases by a small amount, the flow rate profoundly increases, and thus the IV fluids or blood products can be administered in a quick manner. Look at your needle gauge and recall that these gauge numbers are inversely proportional to the radius. A 22 gauge is smaller than a 14 gauge. Depending on the literature and physician, all GI bleeds need two 18 gauge needles, although in practice we push for 16 gauge or even 14 gauge. Pay careful attention to length of catheter as well, as shorter, larger catheters are better in trauma and emergency situations than longer, more narrow catheters. Lastly, one other parameter you can influence is the delta P or change in pressure. Manually squeezing bags of blood in trauma patients or massive transfusion protocols can speed up flow rate. I believe this is an excellent example of applied science to medicine. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.